Alright, well, I guess I started streaming, so let's figure out what I need to do. Um, well, this is the first time that I've actually opened up my window in a while, and I noticed that my setup is incredibly dirty. Just for the sake of argument, what if I closed that and got back to doing that later? Oh man, I was supposed to fold my clothes and stuff. Okay, whatever. I'll get to it at some point. Anyways, let's get going with everything. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is, and this pains me that I have to continue working on this, but there's some issues with like the layering of the hills that is incredibly, it's just bad. Oh, are you kidding me? What? If you can't resolve github.com, then like something is seriously wrong. Yeah, that's not good. If we can't find GitHub packages, then something is bad. Something is like bad. Yeah, I don't know what that's about. I will ping the Discord server about the stream when we're not worried about the packages like being messed up. Yeah, guys, this is it. This is what happens. You have to wait around for a full minute before pinging everyone, because like this is just what happens. Damn, bro, you took 2 minutes? Wow, that's impressive. Okay, there we go. I can ping everyone now. So, now that we're actually in here, the plan for today, we have to do something terrible. We have to do something absolutely awful, just the worst possible thing ever, which... So let's start with the problem. So we have all of our room. Wait, why aren't you letting... Oh, that's the game window. My bad. Man, it has been a while since I've worked on things. So we've got this here. One thing that we did last week, we got a completely new spawning system done, and my god, it is so much better. The only problem is we introduced an issue with the trees that is just insane. Another thing that happened this week is I got a bunch of like little sticky notes from like that I wrote down hastily because I got some people to play it while I was at Easter celebrations. I got one of my cousins who's like 9, and the fact that they actually enjoyed the game made me feel a lot better about like, you know, how if that people are gonna enjoy it and stuff. So I feel pretty good about that. One thing that I'm still pretty unhappy with is the fact that this doesn't work on Mac, or at least on some Mac OS versions. So I'm not sure what that's about, and I'm really concerned about that because, I mean, like, that's just bad. Like, I mean, it should just work on every Mac version, right? But I mean, to be fair, Apple, like, I don't even know, man. It's just like Apple's weird, so who knows? But I do want people with an Apple computer to be able to play my game. So it's like, what am I supposed to do? Anyways, regardless of that, we have all of our stuff here. Blah, 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 blah. So we have that tree layering issue, which I'm not sure if I want to do anything about that right now. I think one thing I want to take care of that has been on the backlog for forever, but I just haven't gotten around to it, is cleaning up the SoulShard Utilities library and removing stuff that doesn't make any goddamn sense. Because there's a few things in here that are just not the best idea for me to be doing, to say the least. I'm not sure if I want to do that or some other stuff, but I think, I don't know, there's a lot of options. Let's start just with, I don't know. Let's just start with adding the issues that these sticky notes have on them, because it might already be like a thing. We have been working on some stuff, but yeah, this week has been like an off week for me. I've just been like busy with other things like Easter. I'm not even gonna get into it that much, but there's been a lot of stuff. Players can move during loading. I actually don't think that is an issue we are tracking right now. Players can move out. Players can move out of the starting area when the game is loading. That's going to be for me, and that's a medium bug, because I really do not want players being able to do that, because they could do some really messed up stuff. Like, imagine if they get to an unloaded chunk, which is very, very difficult to do, but could still happen, and it could be terrible. So make it clear what slot is active. So that basically means like what slot you're hovering over. I think that's a gameplay feature. Oh, that is not what I wanted. Hell no. And I'd say that's a medium, because it caused a lot of usability issues for the people that were playtesting it. Then what? We have figure out starting items. Bug. Oh, wait, I think that was something that I already fixed. Cursor layer issue. I forget where that was. Let's see what else. So I've done those two, but that one still has some stuff. And then what does this one have on it? Player start is unclear. Cursor is sword. Oh, okay. Player position. Player is not visible and spawning in. Cursor is sword. Cursor is the wrong icon. Saw the cursor being a sword. It was post the aiming arrow thing. The aim symbol. Yep. No, medium and bug. And then what was the other one? Cursor layer issue. So I don't know where in the game that was, to be honest. Man, yeah, that one's kind of difficult. I don't know where specifically that was an issue, though. Oh, I think it was in the loadout screen. If I am correct, I think it's in the loadout screen. Okay, loadouts. Man, I could have sworn it was incorrect. Maybe I, like, fixed it already. Let me go to the 0.2.0 or 1.2.0 build to see if that's the case, because I want to make sure. Where would that be? Man, okay. Oh, that's like Pogo Stuck map that I found. That's a different, completely unrelated thing. Where the heck is that? What was I even looking for? Okay, so I need to go to repos. Where are my repos? Where the heck are my repos? There they are. Repositories. ThrowEverything v2. And then we gotta get a, what is it? User settings. No. Come on. What is it? It's the stupid, my brain is like actually rotting out of my skull. There we go, I found it. Okay. So, here we are. Game starting. Cool. We are in the game. Now we go into the loadouts. I wonder where I saw this issue. Ah, it's in the pause screen. Let's see if it's still in the pause screen with that, because I bet I could fix that really quickly. Let's also submit the bug on GitHub. Cursor layering issue in the pause screen. Bug medium. I mean, it's just so stupid how many bugs there are that come up with this. I mean, I wish I just had every hour of the day to work on these kinds of things with the game. I mean, just like, I mean, it is just stupid the amount of like time and resources it takes to make a video game. It is like genuinely like confounding how long it takes and how many things you have to do. I think the biggest problem with the way that I do things is the fact that I do most of it myself. That's a bug. I need to fix that. That's not super hard. Also, that is a thing. So let's fix that first because it's easy. I think we are just gonna like spend today like polishing and bug fixing and stuff, and like cleaning up code and other garbage. I'll probably do more stuff tomorrow, but I'm still really trying to figure out what I want to do here. Um. Okay, let's just start by getting that bug fixed. So let's go to game UI and let's look at just what we've got here. So the custom cursor is like down in here, but that's not what we want. We want it to be like above everything. I don't want it to be in screens. I don't know. I'm not totally sure how I want to like where I want to put this. I think there are issues with putting it there. It still goes over everything and it's like active. Ugh. I'm sure there's some like weird issue with putting it in that object, but we'll just have to find out. How? No, I want a canvas. Where's the canvas at? Okay, well, let's see if that works. Okay, we are good on this one. It's behind. It's just behind all of these. So that's kind of weird. I wonder what that's about. So, is there any way I can like change the layering of this image? Unity 1.0, how old is this? 7 years, 10 months ago. I think I may have just fixed it. Ah, no! That's not what I wanted. No, stop opening the script. Stop opening. I don't want to open the script. That's not what I want to do. That is not what I want to do at all. Oh, so laggy. Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. Okay, great. Awesome. Alright. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Alright, this is working. This is working. This is working. Cool. That's good enough for me. I'm gonna discard those things and discard those things and do this. Update GameUI.uni. Commit to main. Boom. Push origin. How about we do that? I think I didn't add a commit message. Probably the worst stuff that I've ever done. The worst idea I've ever had. Boom. Just get out of here. And then where is my GitHub window? I messed up, I think. Dude. No. This is what I needed, but it's like, come on, bro. Bam. Screw it. I messed up the commit convention one time, but it still follows a convention, so it's fine. I will allow it. Cursor is the wrong icon. I saw that, but I never I need to encounter that again, just for my own sanity. And I want to figure out why Linux would be like, because I tried it on Linux and it worked, except none of the TeXmesh Pro stuff rendered. Actually, I'm just going to look that up right now because I just get the feeling that looking it up will solve my problem. Linux text mesh pro UGY does not render. I have no idea. I guess I will just update to the latest version of Unity and update the TeXmesh Pro version and try everything again. Okay, well, let's look at the cursor thing before we update the project version, because that's annoying. That's just inconvenient. Play. Yeah, so if it's a sword, something's wrong. Because it shouldn't be a sword. It should be the other thing. So this is correct. That's correct. Let's do that. let's do that. And let's try it again. Because it might be on, like, the second run or something that this happens. Maybe. Let's try it again just cause I don't even know at this point. I don't know. I'm gonna add needs replication if I can't find this again. I'm trying to think about the hill rendering problems that we've been having. This is bad for obvious reasons. I like the idea of stuff being able to get put wherever it needs to be. But I don't like these edge cases. I'll come back to that in a minute. Because I do have some ideas on how to fix this, but it will take a lot of effort, and it's just rough. It's just difficult. So let's just look at the cursor thing, and then we'll move on to something else. I think I want to move. I think I definitely do want to upgrade the project version. Do I? Will that even fix the problems that I'm experiencing? Oh, now that is dangerous. We definitely need to fix the tree thing tonight if possible. Well, I can't seem to find that bug, so I'm just gonna add needs replication. Let's just add needs replication, and let's remove priority medium and just set that as like priority low. Bam. Players not visible when you enter the game for the first time. Difficult to tell where you are. That should be super easy to fix. This should also be super easy to fix. This should also be super easy to fix. This should be pretty hard. This should also be pretty easy to, like, there's a lot of bugs here, but a lot of them should be easy, so I'll just see how many I can get done, I guess. Let's see. What exactly do I want to tackle next? Do I want to upgrade the project version and try to run it on Linux? That seems like a whole ordeal. Huh. Odd. I believe this just makes the current object don't destroy on load. Yeah, that should probably... Yeah. Not sure about that. Camera utility. Get camera world rect. Huh. chance handler, debug boxcast, deep copy, iChanceable, save manager, scriptable object database, tile map fixer. None of those things I really want to put in SoulShard utilities right now. We may as well look at what we can do in SoulShard utilities, because there's a lot of stuff that is just bad. Chunk map is, oh my god, like, just check out what I've got here, guys. This thing is terrible. So it's fine, but like I mean, I can't even like begin to describe how bad Unity jobs are. I mean, just like look at this. I mean, this is just such simple stuff, but like, oh my god, like there's just so many generics, and like I can't even, I can't, I just can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. It's not happening. No way is that happening. Yeah, it's just bad. So there are some things that just need to stay because they're garbage. Direction collection, string, direction collection, these are fine. It's garbage. File system, bam. Nah, we are not doing that anymore. Because wrapping the file system is a bad idea. Just using proper stuff is a good idea. Using the file system, like, yeah, just like straight up. Yeah, if you're not using like the raw C# file system, that's just stupid. Yeah, directly utility.create, delete all contents path. Yeah, there's a way to do this. It's called, I don't even know, but I know how to do this. I will just do the actual proper version of all of this stuff. I don't care. ThrowEverything v2. Chore, remove unused script. Great. Yeah, this is the only file that uses that stuff, so let's just get rid of it. So asset utility, load texture, 2D raw path, file data, texture utility dot convert texture 2D format. What? I think there were some useful things, but let's just, I will sacrifice. Let's just go with Load texture 2D. I mean, we're using Unity Engine, so why isn't this accessible? Hey, this is not the most glamorous stream. I'm kind of just doing random stuff that needs to be done because it turns out that there's a bunch of random garbage that I have not cleaned up that I need to clean up before we continue to like. It's just like there's so many random things that need to happen. And I also was super busy this week, so I didn't get a lot of time to do something meaningful with the game. No, just stop. What? Where? What? Okay. I could have sworn this was a Unity API thing. Man, Unity is like weird. Oh. There was actually a separate texture utility for this. There is a texture utility. Not in here, but in here. Where is that? And what do you do? How about we just like figure this out? So directory utility.create path. I forgot how to actually do this, but we can figure it out. C# create directory. Yeah, directory.create directory. Yeah, okay. So we need to just be using system.io, and we're using soulshard.utils. So there we go. Texture utility, problem solved, return text. No, we need to put like text in here. Except the format needs to be RGBA32 and the MIP chain false blah. Okay, great. So let's just do what? Excuse me? This is kind of weird. What's the difference between these two? Oh, it's just bruh. Okay, well then why am I doing ref here? Let's not do that. Well, yeah, because all we're doing is, yeah, we don't need to do that. And then we do blah, 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 blah. Got that done. Don't even freaking need that, because look at how simple that code is. File.readAllBytes. Yeah, that's nothing. File.getExtension. How do we get the extension from a file in C#, blah, blah, blah. We need to do this first. So let's do directory. From what? What path was it going to be? Great. Delete all contents. Okay. Okay, cool. Bam. Alright, encodes all chunks as PNG and makes the files. Okay. I believe there was something I did in this game that, yeah, I was in the save utility or something. That there's like a good way to do this, but I don't remember what it was. Using da da da. Ah, look at that. Man, look at how clean that is. Yeah, see, you can do good practices with the raw stuff. You don't have to make a wrapper. Using file stream equals file open. Okay, so let's do like file open path plus file name, and then PNG bytes stream dot write PNG bytes offset 0 count. What does that mean? Info.length. Okay, so it's just the length of that. So what is this? PNG bytes is a byte array. PNG bytes.length. I believe that should be it. And then get all. No, I want C# stuff. Yep. Serialize data. Serialize map data. Let's just do C# Okay. Damn. Like, see? Like, it's not that bad. What the hell was I thinking? Well, that's just one bit of code that didn't need to be there that got removed. That's pretty cool that I was able to get rid of that. Well, almost. using soulshard.file system. We don't have a file system for shit anymore. Path utility.parse parse path save location. Uh-oh. Get the parsed save location. Let's return. Where does this use? Okay. So that was the thing. I think that I'm just gonna do like let's do a little bit of string shit. So we have our save location slash, and then we do application.persistent data path slash that. And then I don't even know if this works. This code is just for like Pixels, which is a game that I don't work on anymore and I don't plan on coming back to. I'm gonna keep this around, but I am not going to mess with it that much. Like, I do not want to just hold on to a bunch of garbage for a project that I'm not even using anymore. And I would upgrade Soulshard utilities and whatever. It's just like not necessary anymore. Let us remove this. Okay. Refactor, remove custom file system wrapper, because we need to just trim the fat. We need to just trim the fat of all the dumb garbage I was doing. I made bad code decisions. This is what happens. It happens sometimes. It is what it is. You can't do much about it. That is a breaking API change, so let's do like 14.0. Okay. Poosh. And then let's see if we can get any other quick ones out of the way. Chunk mat, direction collection, inventory is important. Math, there are some things in math I need to get rid of. MISC, debug, utility, good, works great. Color utility, it's fine. Collection utility, there might be some stuff in there that we don't need to do. Better to string, that actually I do need. Flat array indexing methods, I don't know about that actually. Collection generation, that garbage, this is stupid. Collection is equal to value. I don't think any of this is a good idea. I want to see if I can get rid of this. Yeah. The better to string thing is fine. But everything else is bad. Enumerator utility. This actually is kind of good, and we're gonna keep that. Gizmos utility. Ooh, I should throw the debug boxcast thing in there. Job utility. Random utility I'm definitely keeping. Job utility. Yeah, this shit sucks. Sprite utility. String utility. What the hell? Sprite, what could possibly be in here? Okay. Sprite.create pivot. Set pivot. Yeah, fucking, why the fuck in the fuck? Set pivot bottommost. Okay, I don't even know what that's about. That was probably something to do with ThrowEverything that I did a really long time ago. Reverse string, array dot reverse. Yeah, what the, wait, can't I, wait a minute. Can't I just do like dot, to char array dot revert, wait, no, we have to be using linQ. We can do a one-liner for this. Reverse, and then we do new string. Reverse dot to array. Look at that. One-liner. Don't need any of this. God damn it. What is my friggin' problem? It's like I didn't know the linQ module existed. Get number of chars in string. What the hell? Bro. This is literally like... God damn, bro. I mean, I know, I get it. I understand. But, like, what the like, bruh. Come on. I was not doing things in a very smart way. Clamp string size. Stir.length. Yeah, this, I don't need to be doing this either. That's not necessary. Get number of characters in string. Yeah. Those are definitely things I could do with linQ, and it would be better to do just in its own module or whatever. If I really need to share it, then it needs to be in more than 3 places. You know what I'm saying? Like, it needs, if there's like a repeated pattern of use, it has to be more in 3 places. And it should just be the idiomatic way to do Unity stuff whenever I do it. Texture utility, sprite utility, I think these I'm going to keep. And then timer is an obvious, like, duh, we need that. Chunk map, yes. Direction collection, yes. Inventory math, let's fix the math. Oh, hey, doggy, hey! Hey! Hey, Coda. Coda's coming to say hi to me. Little doggy.
Come on, Cody.
I have to stop petting him.
See?
Look at that. List operations. Oh, dude. So much wasted time and effort. I didn't even know what the hell I was doing. Look at this. This is so stupid. Ah! This is so bad. Oh my god, dude. Ugh. Get out of here. Get out of here. Just, oh my god, bro. Easing utility. This is based. I made a great version of that. Line renderer utility. Yeah, that's worth. Math utility. Positive mod. Why are there different versions of this? Oh yeah, because it needs to be for all the different versions. Okay, that's fine. Math utility to add to list indices. Ooh, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna be using system.linq. That's what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using system.linq. Math utility dot add to list. This dot vertices dot count dot select x plus x. Now look at that. What do we have here? We get an IEnumerable int out of that, and it literally just does the same thing. Just so freaking stupid, man. I mean, it is insane. I think getting this cleaned up is a smart idea. I think removing the literally worthless code is probably smart. Quad generation. I don't know about that. I might get rid of that completely. Yeah, vector array operations, get ready. Yup, divide vector array. I do wish that was generic, because then I could have actually come up with something better, but there's a reason the way things are the way they are. And that's because everything is terrible, but it is what it is. The one thing that I really hate, I really just hate, like, I have a burning hatred for Unity jobs. I think Unity jobs is one of the worst things to ever happen. It genuinely makes it, like, I can't even begin to describe to you how terrible it is. I mean, it is like, I can't even fully explain why I'm so mad, because it's just, it requires so much context to even understand what the problem is. Translate vectors to array. God, what are we even doing here? We're doing, yeah, Bresenham's line algorithm with a Unity job. Why would we be doing Bresenham's line algorithm with a Unity job? So let's just do translate vectors to array. Let's just, like, return vector to int vectors just the worst, just absolutely the worst. I've made a decision. A lot of this was related to pixels. I am afraid to inform you that a lot of this garbage just needs to go. So let's just do math, easing that, and math utility. Those are all fine. The line renderer needs to go. Vector, and then there's some vector stuff that I should keep and some vector stuff that I should not keep. Vector blending. Yeah, do still need that for some stuff. Vector constants, vector constructors. This I'm not sure about. Okay, this... And this needs to be like this vector to vector That's interesting, but as per usual, extension methods don't work on static stuff. Which is stupid. It's stupid. It's bad. Oh no, that's not what I want to delete. Vector constants, vector constructors. Let's just get rid of it. Vector math. We'll find out in a second. Yeah, I'm just taking an axe to like... I'm just taking a torch to like everything here. So... it's just gonna have to live with it. So... Create bounds in. That's fine. Missing basic operators. Divide vector. Oh my god. This is just 700 lines of boilerplate code, isn't it? I mean, it is just depressing how, like, shitty this stuff is. Dude! I will keep this. I will keep this. I will. Vector blending. Yeah, alright, fine. Mesh. Quad generation, native dynamic and mesh utility, blah, 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 blah. Dynamic collision mesh. Let's get rid of it. I mean, I get that, this is just, I mean, it's just rough. Like, this is not good code, yet I have no choice. Floor vector. So we need to do position over size, positive mod. So let's do var vec var x var y vec math utility dot floor, or rather math f floor vec dot x. Great. So let's do outer pos dot y. Then we do a new vector 2. And we'll just do that. It's not so bad. But yeah, I just hate that this is the state of things. There you go. That's what you're supposed to do. And I guess that's not actually that bad. Positive mod vector. Let's just do this. So we do math utility positive mod. So we have so we do it by size.x, and then we do position dot y size dot x. Yep, that's it. There we go. Cool. So I just fixed both of those problems. World rect int fit to sprite. Yeah, see, I use this in a lot of places. You can see why it is a good idea to just provide a lot of math methods for your vectors. Let me just take a look at yeah, just the fact that, like, so with the Rust, you can just you can just say, oh, I want this method on this struct, and it will do it. No weird extension methods that only work in this one specific case. You just get what you need, and I mean, yeah, I don't even know. So let's just do, so we just need to do mathf.round. So it's not that bad. So we just need to do new vector 2 int rect.size.x rect.size.y, and we need to do mathf Look at that. It's terrible, but this is the way Unity wants us to do it, so we're just going to do it this way. Abs vector. So let's do new vector2 mathDef.abs, and then we do mathDef.abs. Let's just do .x and do .y. Great. We need to do vector2 mathDef.abs, def.abs. And we gotta do bam.x and then .y. Oh boy. Let's just keep doing it. Oh god. Oh yeah, this was where this came in useful. Let's just do new vector2 int. I know I'm making terrible variable names, just give me a minute. So we don't need this. We need to make a new vector2, and then we need to do mathDef.mod, or rather we just do this, percent var pixels per unit ratio pixels per unit per world unit. This is super weird. World rectin, huh? Yeah. That's such a great idea. Ugh, no. There we go. We can still keep it a one-liner and not have it be terribly stupid. And yes, this is really dumb, but trust me, it's fast, even though it looks really stupid. I promise it's not incredibly slow. Convex points to mesh 2D. Uh-oh. The entity spawner 2D, I didn't do it well enough. I'm gonna delete it. Mono. Extended mono, single init mono. Oh my god, there's just so much bullshit. I don't care. I'm deleting it. I mean, it was garbage. It didn't work. It was just super terrible. So I'm just going to get rid of it. I don't want anyone using that for their projects. Pixel map, translate vector array. Oh my god, dude. Come on. Item 1. Nope, I'm also going to be, I'm deleting. Oh, no, because I need the chunk map, but I don't need the pixel map. Bam, delete. Scene utils. Scene utils and sound I'll keep because they are strictly necessary. But, I mean, this advanced scene manager thing is really grinding my gears. See, sometimes you have to refactor stuff. I feel really bad because like I am deleting a bunch of code, but that I worked hard on, but ultimately it did not do the job, so it's gonna get fucking trashed. Cause it, I mean, like, what am I supposed to do? It's not what I want. I want to look something up. Unity. I just need to look this up and watch this again. I highly recommend this video. I think I've watched this like how many times? Like 5? Sometimes you need to just continually think about something before and remind yourself of something before it really sinks in. I don't want to switch back to pixels because that seems like a bad idea. This person is smart. Ah, no! Why? What is wrong with Unity, bro? Is the only way to get this? This is why I don't want to use a compute shader. Unity, use compute shader without serializing it. Ugh. You can do is place it in a resources folder. Unity resources. Ooh. Okay, that might be something to keep in mind. I mean, it is crazy the amount of stuff you have to, like, work around with Unity to get stuff to be usable. Okay, anyways, let's just... I think I could genuinely work on pixels again in Unity, maybe. That game is still incredibly technically challenging, though. Okay, that's good to know. I actually genuinely might be able to might be able to convince myself to use compute shaders now that I found out how to do that. Okay. Wait, what the hell? That's not right. Nope, that's not what I want either. God damn it, what the Unity editor, which one of you is the one that is not responding? It is this one. Sorry, bro, but I'm ending your task. Hopefully this doesn't make my life just awful. Man, that is crazy that my GPU is like... I'm using NVENC, right? Because it's taking up like 60%. What the hell? What is my video encoding doing? What am I using for video encoding? Renderer, direct 3D 11. Yeah, I don't think that's the best renderer to be using for video encoding. Okay, well, oh well, I'll just learn for the future. God damn it, what are you doing? Okay, I think we have to end the task again. Oh my god. Which one of you is not responding? Nope, it's not you, it's you. End task. Just okay, let's enter safe mode. Let's take the advice and enter safe mode because apparently we're just like stupid and dumb. Also, I can throw away these sticky notes finally. Let's go. Ooh, food. I don't even know what the hell's going on at this point. Cheers. Oh my fucking god. Even safe mode isn't working. What the actual goddamn fuck is going on? You know what? I'm gonna manually go in there and remove this BS. Repos, soul shard utils. Where's soul shard utils? Um, oh, we'll just wait. So let's go to packages, soul shard utils, and let's just, excuse me, we'll go into the entity spawner 2D editor and delete that, and then enter safe mode and pray to frickin' God that it compiles. Okay, great, it compiled. Awesome. So we are going to look at all the changes. So we removed the dumbass editor. We removed chunk map conversion methods. Yeah, we did that. Oh wait, yeah, we'll keep that. Line render utility list operations mesh dynamic collision mesh. Da 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 da. And then we also removed the file. Well, no, we removed the file system stuff earlier. Um. Um. Be redone if we want to try that thing again. I am. Let me also update the package so that we don't use jobs anymore, because we should just straight up not be using jobs. Unity collections, no. Burst and jobs. Yeah, we'll just remove all of those, and then we will do this as 15.0 apply. Please restart the editor to continue. What if I just said fuck you and didn't restart the editor? Oh yeah, no, we're going this to job utility. I'll be right back.
I have a feeling that it crashed again. I mean, maybe I need to just wait, because maybe it's just taking more than a minute to compile.
I don't know. I guess I'll just have to find out. I'm trying something different. Today, I've only watched 20 minutes of YouTube. I was reading books. I think just getting like, I don't know why, but I just feel like I need to like switch up and not just completely like drown out all that stuff. What's best? Oh no. Oh no. God damn. Hopefully this doesn't take frickin' forever. We might have to completely like, I don't even know what we would do at this point. Like, it's just bad. This sucks. Okay. I got like an issue fixed today. So that's something. But I mean, there's just so many things that I have to do. I mean, it is just insane. I mean, look at all of this garbage that I have to do. I think we're doing okay at like actually getting stuff done, but I mean, God, like it just amazes me how like insane everything is. Okay, we'll just wait on that. I don't know. I think that's probably gonna be it for today, guys. I know there wasn't a lot going on. Like, let's look at what we did. We got two god dang commits done here, and then like one commit done here. Yeah, like this is not great. I will admit this is kind of stupid, but I have other stuff I want to do today. Um, oh, what's it doing? Opened 5 issues. Oh, that's what counts as a contribution, I guess. So, yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I just this is gonna take forever. I'm assuming so. Yeah. So what's the plan? Because this week was an off week. I needed to do this to keep up my streak of doing something every single week to the game. What is like the what's the next like few weeks gonna look like? I mean, I already went over that in my no, I already went over that in my in the devlog. So yeah, I'll just refer you to that. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, just check out the devlog for what's happening in the future. I am just like kind of trying to pull through on this. I really have no idea what the hell I'm doing, and I just don't even know anymore, guys. I'm sorry. I think I'm going to get ready to put. I don't even know. I just have to go and report stuff to, or give this to publishers at some point. I have to finish all the music. We have to finish all the art stuff. If I can't get this project out there and funded, then I might just straight up quit game development. I don't know. I'm not sure. Either that or I'll just try and get a job in like someone else's studio. I think that's probably like the plan. Not totally sure what the deal is. Anyways, yeah, I wish I was more like confident that I'm gonna succeed. I think I need to just keep giving it a shot, and just if I get really stuck, then I might just come back to it later. Who knows? Come back to it later when Bevy is done, stuff like that, get better at like YouTube or whatever. Yeah. I really just have no idea, honestly. Like, I'm not good at this stuff. I feel like I'm good at like speaking and good at like conveying my thoughts, but I'm not good at getting people's attention or producing interesting content around what I'm working on. I could do something like Danny just to like bring up marketing hype, but I really just have no idea about like anything. Like, I just don't even know. I don't even really know at this point, guys. But I'm just going to keep trucking on. I feel like what I have is playable to some extent. And I'm very proud of what I've been able to accomplish this time versus last time. This has been a massive improvement. So, yeah, it is what it is. I'm going to stop streaming now because, yeah, I'm just depressed about this. Oh, well. You just keep trucking through failure until you succeed. That's the plan. Alright, bye.